Hello, my beautiful Sharon Zoo Crew family. Welcome to our channel. This is little precious Marco. Marco has been requested an update on little Marco, my budgie. I found Marco a while ago, maybe a couple of months ago, a few months ago, in a tree by where I live, so I rescued him. Yes, I did, thank God, right before the cold weather. And we got a little rocker here. Yep. So we wanted to show you Marco and how he's doing. He is absolutely fabulous. He's free in my bathroom here. I have a little jungle gym for him with his food and his water. And he just hangs out and does whatever he wants. Hey, Rock, look who's here. We got Marco here. Yeah. We got Marco. So Marco's doing awesome. And I work with him all the time. And he's still a little skittish, but not too bad. Yeah, do you let me give you kisses? You let me give you kisses. I know. You're talking. You're talking. Hi. Hi, Marco. So Marco has a little sound machine there that has just jungle sounds and bird sounds. And I have a camera right here on Marco so I can always watch him. Make sure he's safe in here. Hi, kids. Hi, kids. Yes. Yes. Aw. Yes. They've never met each other. This is the first time they're meeting each other. So, anyway, guys, I wanted to give you an update on how little Marco the Budgie's doing. And as you see, he's doing awesome. Right? You want to go to your playhouse? Go ahead. Go ahead. All your water spilled. You want to show them how you go up? Step up. Step up. Good job. And you go to your food there. Yep. He's got all his toys in there. And he just hangs out. Right? He loves it. He loves it. Anyway, guys, we love you. There's your little Marco update. The little budgie that was saved from a tree. Yep. Say bye-bye, Rock. Say bye-bye.